Hey guys, I'm from ReveMoto. So today we're going to be working on this 2019 BMW 5 Series, one of my favorite cars. So we're going to be doing our side view mirror install, and actually removal and install. So again, if you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on that push notification. And also, if you guys need this mirror for your car, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body part source, and we'll go ahead and link the product above and also below. So let's go ahead and get started. This one's really easy. So if you guys open the door, if you guys have like this Harmon, is it Harmon, Hardon? I think that's how you say it. You know, I think that's German. I'm not sure. But get something flat and that's like plasticky. So right here, you gotta push down the tabs right here. So it's kind of like. Let me see if I can get. Actually, hold on. You gotta lift up, I think. I just did it. Okay, I said it was easy, but now it's getting hard. But it was just easy a few minutes ago. Oh, there. Okay, so the first tab is right here. So you gotta press down on it with something flat, and then you go ahead and start pressing down on the rest. See how like they just hooked on there like that? Go one. Now last one right there. And then you kind of push up. So now that's gonna go ahead and fall down. And then you're gonna have like a T30 Torx bits right there. And there's like, I really hope there's some two bolts right here. I hope it is. But go ahead and remove that with a T30. Don't unplug it yet because you don't want it to fall down. So I'm hoping I don't have to remove this. Yep, so that's how it moves. Move that bolt right there. There's one on the bottom right here. Let's see if I can move this out of the way. And just kind of hold on to the mirror just in case it goes down. All right, so let's see if that, usually there's like 3 bolts, but I only saw 2, so let's see if this one comes off. No, actually, yeah, no. There's a 3rd one hiding somewhere. So let's go find that 3rd one. Where is that 3rd one? Is it? Maybe there's not a 3rd one. Maybe I just have to yank it. No, it looks like it's on there tight. Let's go over here. Ah! There's a hidden one. So it's right there. So you gotta pull this little tab right here and you'll reveal the 3rd one. So you guys can see I didn't try to force it off because I would totally break that mirror. But I knew there was something holding it, so I figured, you know, just some detective work, found that 3rd one right there. Alright, so let's take that off by hand. Alright, so let's see if this one comes off now. Yeah, so now I know it comes off. So I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it. So there's one plug right here. And you press down on it right here on the top. This little pin right there. I think you push down. Oh, there's 2 of them. So you push down on the bottom and the top. And now that should come off. Let's see. All right. So again, if you guys need this mirror, we go to ReveMoto.com, and also the link is up above and down below, okay? So you guys can buy this mirror from us. So I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall it. It's really easy. Our mirrors sometimes comes with a gasket like this one. So remember, just use one of these gaskets. So you can either use a brand new one or the old one, whichever one fits better on the actual mirror and doesn't make a lot of noise. And also on your mirror, see some mirrors have like the turn signal light. It has this lane assist light right there. Again, if you guys need that, know your specific model, okay? If you don't know your specific model or specific functions on your mirror, go ahead and call your dealership, get that part number for us, and give us a call. We'll find that mirror. All right, so go ahead and put that back in place right there. Slide it in. And then always plug it up first, okay? Plug it up like that. And then get one of these screws. Well, this one's the easiest one right here. So put that in place right there. Ah, it was easy. So I was trying to hand tighten it, but it's just in there. Not enough room for me to use my hands. So I'm just gonna use. All right, there we go. So you don't have to put too much force into it. Just as soon as you feel it kind of tighten up, just put like a little bit of rotation and that's it, okay? Don't put too much, you don't want to break that stud. All right, so then you got another one right there. I like to use my torque bits as a little holder. And then you go ahead and rotate it like that. Last but not least, this one right here. So usually there's like 3 bolts. So that's why when I said, oh, this only has 2, I was kind of like iffy about it because I know like most of the time these mirrors or any mirror that I work with has 3 bolts. So I haven't came across one with 2 bolts. I thought this was the first one, but it wasn't. So go ahead and put that in there. All right, so this last one right here. So you're gonna go ahead and slide that in there. Slide that in there. All right, so then put this one over here first, and then kind of push out, and then line it up. Let's see if I can do this. See, these things are in my way, so. Take that. There we go. So make sure you make the, so you gotta slide it in here and then push down a little bit, and then you should line up the clips, and then you go ahead and push down on it. There we go. All right. So again, before, I forgot to mention, before you guys actually installed the whole mirror and tighten it up, see if the functions work. So let's pray it works. Start that vehicle. Let's see. There we go. Up and down, left and right. And then let's see the turn signal. Does that work? Yep, there it is. All right guys, so thank you for watching. This is again the video for, let me fix my mic a little bit. So again guys, this is gonna be a video for 2019 BMW 5 Series side view mirror removal and install. It also works for other years for the 5 Series. But go ahead and check out more of our videos, okay? So thank you guys for watching. Hey guys, I do want to thank you again for watching our great videos. If you guys need any parts for your vehicle, the ones that you guys see in our videos, or anything else, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source. We sell bumpers, taillights, headlights, touch-up bottles, everything that you need for your vehicle. Go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted and accessories parts store. Also, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on your push notification for more great videos like this one. Thank you.